kittens are about 4.5 months old. The gray and white one is Shiloh, he's a male. The orange one is Tornado, he's a male. The black and white is Minnie, and she's a female. The swirled tabby over there is Lorena, she's a female. They're all vetted, spayed, neutered, microchipped, FeLV tested negative. They have their rabies and distemper shots. They're wormed and flea treated, and they're very, very playful. Looking for good homes. Yeah, come on guys. Come on. Have fun. Have fun. Have fun. Yes. They're all good kitties. Have fun.